Adv. V. Joy, born May 10, 1965, is a member of 15th Kerala Legislative Assembly. He represents Varkala constituency. He defeated BRM Shefeer by 17,821 votes in his second term. He is State Committee member of Communist Party of India. Marxist. Kerala. Chirayinkeezhu Sreechithira Vilasam school leader. Chempazhanthi SN College University Union Councilor. University of Kerala Union Executive Member. Senate Member. SFI District President. District Secretary. Dhavi District Vice President. Proved excellence in performance. Contested the Grama Panchayat of Azhoor twice and became the president twice. He then contested the Chirayinkeezhu Block Panchayat and was elected president. Later member of the Thiruvananthapuram District Panchayat. He is currently the state president of the Kerala Primary Co-operative Societies Association. He has been a member of the Board of Directors of the District County Operative Bank and Vice President of the State County Operative Bank. Kumaranasan Memorial Governing Board Member. President of the Perumkuzhi Service Company Operative Bank. Joy had contested the uncertain Varkala constituency in 2016. Capturing more than 2,000 votes and capturing the constituency with a majority of 17,821 in the second round. Considering this fighting spirit, Joy was elected as a member of the CPM State Committee.